Children learn empathy through observing it to the people that they are the most closest to on a regular basis. They're watching their parents, how they speak to one another, how they speak to them, the child, how do they speak to themselves. And empathy is something that starts off small and grows, thrives, and flourishes. You can't teach empathy in books or give instructions. Meanwhile, you're pissed off and angry. Empathy has to be genuine. You have to show and demonstrate a genuine approach to somebody and for how they're feeling and the experience they're going through. Many times, too, we force children to say, "I'm sorry," or say you're sorry when they've done some wrong or have hurt somebody. But that doesn't teach empathy. That's just parroting back. Oh, is what I'm supposed to say so I don't get in further trouble. Okay, I'm sorry. And then we go, say it nicer. I'm sorry. It's not genuine. There's nothing wrong with saying sorry if you truly mean it and it's a phrase that resonates with you. But when it comes to teaching children the concept of empathy, forcing them to say sorry, it's a total disconnect. It doesn't work that way. So try to give them opportunities to observe you in action, showing empathy towards animals, even bugs that are all over the place these days, and towards yourself and in all relationships. That's how they're going to know how to do it. So until tomorrow, have a good day. See you soon.